Hello everybody and welcome to a new YouTube video by Dr. Nick's Tutorials channel. In today's tutorial we're gonna learn how to add a poll or create a poll on a Facebook group. Many people know that there is the poll option, but they don't know how to reach it, or they don't know how to create a poll on a group. So today we're gonna do it. Let's start. Let's open our test group that we made. Let's open groups, and yeah, here's our groups, and here's the group. So here, let's create a post from here, and let's choose click here on add to your post, and you should click here on a poll. Exactly, add your options. For example, test 1, test test 2, and then that's it. Let's add, for example, this option, and yeah, something which is your favorite, and post. So yeah, here is our poll. We can add this. Let's vote for something. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, just hit the like button. If you want to see more videos of this, click subscribe. And if you have any questions regarding this topic, just click on the comments below and type what you want. And yeah, that's it for today. Goodbye.